Hello, welcome to BMeks Info Channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you important tips and settings to turn on or off your system to increase its performance. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Windows search bar and type Settings. And from Settings, select Privacy and Security. And from Privacy and Security, select Windows Security. And from there select Device Security. And then lastly you have to select Core Isolation. Make sure this Core Isolation is turned off if it is on in your system. And then once you click Turn Off, or once you turn off the icon there, a prompt will just show up for you to restart your system. Go ahead and restart your system, and that will make your system to really work faster. Especially if you use your system for gaming activities. You are going to enjoy a fast gaming experience. But you have to make a choice here. If you turn this Core Isolation off, your system might be exposed to some threats. But at the same time, if you turn it off, you are going to enjoy a very fast gaming experience. The choice is for you to make. Which of the two alternatives? Either to enjoy a fast gaming experience, or to expose your system to some threats. And then once you are done with that, go back to Privacy and Security and go to General. And you have to turn off all the information down. The first one says Let app show me personalized ads. Make sure you turn everything off. And once you're done with that, you have to go to the left-hand side and click System, Notification, and make sure you turn notification off. If it's on your system, turn it off. And once you've turned it off, go back to Systems. At the left-hand side as you did before. And this time around select Storage. Go down and select Storage. And once you click on Storage, go down. You will see the one that says Storage Sense. Make sure it is turned off. Turn it off and also go through your local disk and see the spaces that are being occupied by different files and folders. Make sure that some of the files that you don't need, especially recycle bin, is emptied. I just follow the steps I am taking through here on the screen. And then make sure you remove some of the files and folders that you don't need. Again, especially the recycle bin, and that will free up the space, and your system will really be lighter and perform better. And once you're done with that, once you are done with turning off Storage Sense, you have to go back to the left-hand side. And this time around, you have to select Personalization. Personalization, I hope you can see that. And head to Transparency Effects. Just down there you will see a transparency effect. Click on it and make sure it is turned off. Make sure it is off, and once you are done with that, go back to the left-hand side again, and this time around select Apps. And here, you will have a view of all the installed applications that are running in your system. Some of them I bet you don't need. Some of them are no more relevant to you. Go through them and see the space some of them are occupying. And then make sure anyone you don't need, you just uninstall. And how do you uninstall it? Just look at the right-hand side, the the dot there. Click on it and you will find Uninstall. Click on it, and that will uninstall that particular application. And once you are done with that, you have to restart your system. And I bet your system is going to work like a brand new computer altogether. So that is how to go about it. Please, if any of these tips works out for you, don't fail to subscribe to this channel Just go through the installed applications and remove some of them and restart your system. And once you are done with that, head straight to your Explorer, your File Explorer. Click on it and select PC. And then select your local disk. Right-click on it, select Properties. And here, you will have an option to optimize your local drive. And once you optimize it, it's going to work. You know better and just go through it. Follow me, as I just go through the steps you have to take here. Just optimize it, and I did this not quite long. So my local drive is in good shape this time around. But go ahead and optimize your own, if there is need for you to do that. And once you have done that, restart your system, and you will see that it's going to perform optimally this time. Let me show you another important tips. Go to your Windows search bar, and this time around type run. RUN. And then when that pops up, click OK and type temp. Temp means temporary files, and you have the list of all temporary files within the system. And most of them are located within your local disk, and you need to free your local disk by going to your keyboards and pressing Ctrl+. To select all of them, right, click and delete all these temporary files and folders. And that will make your system to be lighter, and will work better once you've cleaned them. And once this is done, please don't fail to restart your system to see the effects immediately. That is another important tip. Then another one also is for you to go to your Windows search bar and type a startup. And you have the list of startup applications. These are the applications that whenever you press your computer start button, make sure some of them that you don't need are turned off. Go through them. Some of them have high impacts on your computer boot time, as you can see. Make sure anyone you don't want or you don't use always is turned off. And once this is done, your system is going to, increase in its boot time. The good time is going to be enhanced. And you're going to enjoy your system afterwards. Make sure you turn it off, and once you've done that, you have to restart your system if you want to see the effects come alive. Make sure you close the window and restart your system, and you are going to find out that your system is really working perfectly well. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if any of these tips really works out for you. Let me show you another important tip. Go to your Windows search bar and type View Advanced System Settings. And when that pops up, I go to Performance Settings and click on it. And then select the one that says Adjust for better performance. Make sure that box is checked and then click OK. And OK. And then that is done. Once you've done this, like I said earlier, you have to restart your system. You don't need to apply all these tips at once. You have to choose one and apply it, and test your system if it works. You don't need to apply the remaining ones, but if any of them fails, you can always go back and choose any of these tips to apply. And then let me also show you another important tip. This time around, you have to go to your Windows Security. You know where I just selected it. Just click there and select your Windows Security if your system is out of date in terms of security. You have a prompt for you to update it. For instance, you can see that my system is up to date, so always check for update. And if your system is out of date, it's going to really affect its performance. And once you are done with that, you can always, if you have antivirus, you need to really do a quick scan. Run a quick scan to ensure that issues like viruses are eliminated. runs a quick scan if you have any antivirus installed. But if you don't have any antivirus, you can always make sure that your Windows Defender is up to date. Or you can still go online and find some free antivirus that you can always install in your system without paying a dime. I think a link to that is in this description. There you have. I have another video that I talked about several antivirus and security features you need to turn on your system to enhance your computer performance. Please subscribe and share this important video with your friends.